Hello everyone, my name is Amol More and welcome to our channel Solution to Black Book. Now today one of our student has asked us this question: how many 10 digit numbers that can be formed without repeating any digit, and the difference of the digits at equal distances from the beginning and the end is always 1. Then the number of ways this can be done. Okay, so we have to form a 10 digit number. So 10 digit number, that too without any repetition. It means we will have to use 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, everything. Everything we will have to use because no repetition is there. They are also saying that the digits at the beginning and the end will always differ by 1. I'll give you an example. If this is your 10 digit number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, let us count 10 हो गया क्या 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, if at the start you have let us say 4, then at the end you should have 5, let us say. Okay, and if at the second position you have 2, then you should have 3, something like that, which is differing by 1. If here over here you have 0, then over here you should have 1. Okay, from the start and from the end. Okay, now we need to calculate the number of possibilities for this. So there could be two possibilities. So I will calculate case 1 first. Okay, now let us say in case 1 we start with 0 1. Okay, 0 is either at the start or end, and 1 is also accordingly either at the start or end. Okay, but 0 cannot be at start, but that we will see. Then 2 can be taken place with 3. So 2 at the start and 3 at the end, or 3 at the start and 2 at the end. That's the way of doing it. Then 4 and 5, then 6 and 7, then 8 and 9. Such 5 possibilities are there. But 0 can also be taken with sorry, 1 can also be taken with 2. So I will take a case 2 where 1 is taken with 2. But now it causes the problem. With whom should I take 0? Is it possible? Definitely not, because the difference should be 1. So with 0 there is no other possibility. Hence case 2 is not possible. Only case 1 is possible. Getting it? So this is the only case possible in which the the pairs are like this. Okay, now let us do one thing. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, now the problem is with 0 1, that 0 1, if it is taken at the start like this 0 and 1, that won't be a 10 digit number, right? So I'll have to take out that. Okay, so let us say I am considering two cases here. At the first position 1 and 0 is not there right now. Other than 1 and 0, other pairs are there. Okay, so let us move to the next page actually to do this, and I will calculate the cases. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, done 10. So case 1, in case 1 what do I have? 1 and 0 are not there at the start and end. Other than them they are there. So how many pairs are there apart from 1 and 0? Okay, I just missed out that page. Where is it? Let me get rid of this. Apart from 1 and 0 there are 1 2 3 4 pairs. Okay, so at these positions there can be 4 pairs. So 4C1 is the possibility. Out of those 4 pairs I will select one pair, but they can be arranged, because if I take out 2 and 3, then I can put 2 here and 3 here, or else I can put 3 here and 2 here, right? So that can be arranged in 2 factorial ways. So 2 factorial is nothing but 2. Okay, then for this particular position I have how many possibilities? So you will say 3, but no 3 possibilities, there will be 4. Suppose 2 3 is gone, so now 0 1 can be taken, right? So there will be again 4C1 possibilities. They can be arranged in 2 ways. And similarly, as I move ahead, there will be 3C1 and 2 ways, then 2C1 and 2 ways, then 1C1 and 2 ways. I hope you got it the way I did it. So 4 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 and 2 2 2 2 2. You see how many times 2? So you are seeing 2 raised to 5 times 2. So basically this is nothing but 4 into 24, right? Yes, 4 into 24, that can be termed as 96 into 2 raised to 5. Okay, but over here we did not consider the case in which case 2, in which 1 and 0 can come at the start. So let me do one thing, just let us get rid of these things. Okay, then 1 and 0 is at the start, let us say. Okay, so I took 1 and 0 at the start, and the way of arranging them is just 1, because they cannot be arranged in 0 and 1. If they are arranged in 0 and 1, then that won't be a 10 digit number. Okay, then over here how many possibilities are there? There were four pairs available right now. So that can be arranged in 4C1 into 2, then 3C1 into 2, then 2C1 into 2, and then 1C1 into 2, right? Over here 4 pairs are available and they can be arranged in 2 ways. Over here 3 pairs are available, they can be arranged in 2 ways. And 2 and then 1, right? So 4, 3, 2, 1, that will be 24 into 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 raised to 4. So case 1 was the case in which we considered that 1 and 0 are not at the extreme start and extreme end, and case 2 we considered 1 and 0 to be at the extreme start and extreme end. Okay, so simply we have to add this. So let us add 96 into 2 raised to 5 plus 24 into 2 raised to 4. This is what we need to add, right? 96 into 2 raised to 5 plus 96 into 2 raised to 5 plus 24 into 2 raised to 4. Okay, so as I can see 24 comes out to be common. So what remains is 4. Okay, and there's one more thing which comes out to be common, 2 raised to 4. So what remains is 4 into 2 plus over here 1 common, right? So 24 into 2 raised to 4 into 9. So the final answer is 9 into 24 into 2 raised to 4. Okay, which option is telling factorial? Okay, 24 is 4 factorial into 2 raised to 4. So as you can see, option B is telling with our answer. If you like this concept, please hit the like button, comment on the video, do share it with your friends, do spread the knowledge, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.